just a scary sight here. A building under construction comes crashing down in Bangkok. Just some of the devastation from a 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Southeast Asia. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I am Wale Ali. Kimberly Hunt is off tonight. The quake was centered in Myanmar, where at least 140 people have been killed and many more are still trapped in that debris. The death toll stretches all the way to Thailand. Many people in San Diego are anxiously awaiting updates from loved ones in the affected areas. ABC 10 News reporter Ryan Hill shows what they're doing to help from afar.
Water from hotel pools falling like rain. New construction tumbling like a house of cards. All of this and more triggered by a 7.7 earthquake happening in Myanmar on Friday.
Even if they were safe, their life was safe, but their house got collapsed.
Now Kiyabashima is with the Korean Organization of San Diego, a local nonprofit which boosts economic and educational opportunities for different groups from the country.
So on top of those many years of struggle, this huge earthquake happening in the region, that made my feel devastating.
My friend said, wake up, wake up. So we have a big earthquake going on in our country. That is the first time in, we never have any earthquake in Thailand before.
Nikki Sumawati is with the American Thai Chamber of Commerce San Diego. The quake was felt some 600 miles away in Bangkok.
Our phone ring and we ring each other. I ring your family and everyone okay. They said they got evacuated.
She, like Kabashima, is working with other local groups to see how they can help those who need help thousands of miles away.
To create the list of those trusted organizations, trusted fundraising effort that anybody who wanted to support the people can trust and utilize, and then that's something that we are trying to do now.
Then we got from my friend teams, they already said some of them they want to go back to Thailand to helping out. So we'll see how can we help them. We will try to help them as much as we can. That's what we are here for.
Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.